How to set Siri only for my voice. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set Siri only for my voice. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the Siri and search option. Here under Ask Siri, tap on the Listen For option and further, select the Hey Siri option. Once you select the Hey Siri option, you will be asked for a setup which will further help Siri recognize your voice when you say Hey Siri. So tap on the Continue button and further go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be required to read the phrases shown on the screen loud. So go ahead and read the phrases and also make sure that while reading the phrases you are in a silent environment for better catch-ups. You will be shown with 5 phrases that you will have to read. So go ahead and read them, and once you have finished reading the phrases, tap on done, and with this your Siri is all set and will now respond to your voice every time you say Hey Siri, as you can see here in the screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.